Hello, in front of me I've got BMW F40. In this video I'll show you comfort settings preview. Let's start with the driver's doors. Right here we've got the electronically locked doors, electronically adjusted mirrors, and locked and movable windows. Right here we've got simple panel, thanks to which we can quickly select which kind of lights we want to use. This car is also equipped with automatic high beam. Next, take a look in the center of the car. Here, you can quickly enable Sport, Comfort or Eco Pro mode, use electric parking brake, or disable traction control. Also, you can disable start-stop system or enter parking assistant menu. This car is equipped with 4 USB ports, one USB-A here, USB-C here, and 2 USB-C in the back row of seats. In the center of the car we can find this console, thanks to which we can quickly navigate through the system of the car. This car trims are equipped with inbuilt navigation that you can quickly update via internet. Also, you can create your custom driver profile and enter valet parking mode. Now, let's go to car settings. Here, you can configure your own driving mode, adjust exterior lights, driver assistance, doors and vehicle access, interior lighting, and key button assignment settings. In general, you can set up personal assistant, manage sound settings, touchpad, and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.